Nobody tells you that becoming a parent feels like running a complex logistics company for a very small, very demanding boss. You start looking at baby gear, and suddenly your living room is shrinking at an alarming rate. You see one piece of equipment for the first 3 months. Then you realize you need a completely different one for the next year. It becomes a never ending cycle of spending money. It is a constant battle to solve storage problems. This is why the concept of a convertible system really hits home. It is for people who do not want their house to look like a crowded warehouse. This specific two-in-one setup tries to solve that exact headache. It does this without draining your bank account. The core idea here is incredibly simple. You get a bassinet for those early days when your newborn needs to lie flat and stay cozy. Then, as they start hitting those milestones and wanting to see the world, the whole thing transforms. It becomes a regular stroller seat. You are not buying two different frames. You are not tripping over extra parts in the hallway. It weighs about 22 pounds. That is light enough to toss into a trunk without needing a dedicated gym membership. The actual ride is worth a closer look. If you are walking through a shopping center or on a nice paved sidewalk, the movement feels effortless. The front suspension does its job well. It absorbs those little cracks in the pavement. Those are the tiny bumps that usually wake a sleeping infant. But you have to be realistic here. This is not a heavy-duty off-road machine. If you take this onto a gravel path or a chunky dirt trail, you are going to feel the vibrations. The frame is lightweight, which is a huge plus for portability. However, it means you lose some of that tank-like stability. You usually find that in those $1,000 luxury models. You get what you pay for in terms of materials. It does not feel like a high-end designer piece made of exotic alloys. Still, it does feel functional and sturdy enough for daily use. The safety side is solid. You have a 5-point harness to keep the little one strapped in tight. There is a foot brake that clicks into place easily when you need to stop and chat. One of the nicest touches is the included weather protection. You get a foot cover and a shield for rain or wind right out of the box. Usually, big companies charge you extra for every single little accessory. Seeing that included is a genuine win for the budget-conscious shopper. The storage basket underneath is decent, but it is not huge. Do not expect to fit a week's worth of groceries down there. It handles a diaper bag and maybe a few small items from the pharmacy. The folding mechanism is actually quite clever and intuitive. You pull a lever and it just collapses down into a compact shape. It is one of those things you can do while you are tired and distracted. If you are a city dweller or someone who mostly sticks to smooth suburban paths, this kind of value is hard to ignore. You get the versatility of a carriage and a toddler seat in one single package. It keeps things lean. It keeps things simple. It is about making those daily errands feel a little less like a chore and a little more like a breeze. For the price point, it covers all the basic essentials. It gives you that peace of mind without the buyer's remorse of spending a fortune on something they will outgrow in a flash. You want something that works, something that fits in the car, and something that does not break the bank. This hits that sweet spot for a lot of growing families.